So we're really fighting here of all places. Yeah, well, one more place to burn if you ask me. Yeah, I guess. That's fine anyway. You underestimated my power. Time to see my true power. No. Time for you to see my true power. Yeah. What is it gonna be? Making vegetables. Oh, you're underestimating me now. Maybe I am. So what if I am anyway? I don't care. Well, maybe it was a bad idea to do it. Fine, let's fight then. Snake! Ooh. Ha! Phew, that was okay. Okay, back to business. Oh no. Ha! Take that! Oh no! So, burn! Shield! Okay, it's gonna hold back, but not for long. Definitely not for long. No. I don't care. No. Sliding too easy. Backflip over the spikes. Dodge, burn. Oh no! Too slow. Come on, food. No! Alright. Go back. You. All the smoke in the air. I am true power. And you have never seen me before. Okay, that was the first ever truth video I made. Now, yeah, I'll probably make more, but, you know. That was the first ever one. It was okay, but I'll make better ones in the future.